So today we're going to start talking about chemical changes and reactions, and what we want to figure out is how can a scientist tell what type of change occurs in a substance, and how does matter change physically and chemically? So there's two types of changes, which we talked about earlier this week. There's chemical and there's physical. When we talk about physical change, it's a change that results in the same substance, and this can easily be reversed. So tearing something, cutting something, dissolving something, melting, or freezing. A chemical change is a change that results in a new substance, and this is something that cannot actually be reversed. So burning, rusting, digesting, baking, and fizzing. So chemical changes and chemical reactions go hand in hand. And chemical changes are actually also known as chemical reactions. And the ingredients of a reaction are called the reactants. This is what goes into a reaction. And the end results we usually call the products. So the inputs are the reactants, the outputs are the products. So chemical reactions are just a process that involves the breaking or making of bonds between atoms in order to transform a substance into another substance. So like we said, we have the reactants and then we have the products. So you'll notice that on your periodic table placemat, there is a diagram that looks very similar to this one where we have a chemical change occurring. So if you started out with some different atoms, they undergo a chemical change, and now we have a different product. And the main thing to notice is that the reactants that are going in look different from the products that are coming out. And this shows a chemical change. It also needs to be something that cannot be reversed. Go ahead and move on to your worksheet for today. Once you're done, study your words on Quizlet.